Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making some awesome, nostalgic, sweet, and seriously fun homemade Twinkies. Yes, the classic golden sponge cake with the creamy filling. And guess what? We're doing it with this awesome aluminum Twinkie baking kit. It gives them the perfect shape. Here's what you'll need for this homemade Twinkie adventure. For the sponge cake, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 eggs room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course, your trusty Twinkie aluminum mold pan. If you don't have one, you can DIY with foil and a muffin tin, but this pan really makes it feel official. Let's start with these cakes. First, preheat the oven to 350 and lightly grease your Twinkie molds. You can also dust them with a little bit of flour. Spoon the batter into your molds, about 2/3 full, and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let them cool completely before filling. For the cream filling, you'll need a 1/2 cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of marshmallow cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once the cakes are cool, use a small piping tip or a straw to poke 3 holes in the bottom of each cake.
Ever wonder how they get that creamy filling into the middle of a Twinkies cake?
Pipe the filling inside. Don't be shy. And boom, just like the real thing. Soft gold sponge with that sweet fluffy filling. These are so good, honestly. Even better than the store-bought ones because they're fresh and homemade. Look at that. Give the recipe a try and let me know in the comments how yours turn out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Pretty good. Give it a try. See you in the next one.